Welcome to Durafos. It's time to change the way you control the pump. Replace the conventional mechanical pressure switch. We are introducing digital pressure switch with lots of innovative features, which will ensure long life and trouble-free operation. It is precise with built-in dry run preventer, timer for water transfer application. It can be set easily and accurately through a user-friendly control panel with fast, easy installation and more safes than ever before. The Durafos digital pressure switch is a cost-effective, universal control upgrade for any system. It has multiple applications like pressure booster pumping system, water transfer application. Our Durafos digital pressure switch has built-in cycle timer for overhead tank filling. It also suitable for compressor, hydraulic and pneumatic system. Dual dry run protection, pressure sensing dry run protection. Float switch. It has following feature: integrated pressure transmitter with high accuracy, 7-segment 3-digit bright red display, user-friendly interface, easy to set cut-in and cut-out pressure points, provision for connecting float switch, suitable for water, oil, air and gases, LED indicator for pump, dry run, float and timer. High precision, long-term stability, good medium compatibility. Easy to install and configure in 3 easy steps. We are offering digital pressure switch to bungalows, villas, row houses, hotels, apartments, commercial complexes, etc. Durafos, connecting to all your pumping needs. We are looking forward to set up digital pressure switch at your place and would appreciate inquiries. Please contact us for more information.